Owning an auto body repair shop is a great business. You can be your own boss and make a lot of money. This business plan and Excel workbook are set up to get you up and running and can be used to show to lenders and investors for raising money and to help you operate your body shop. With a few quick and simple modifications, like the name of your company and owner bios, you will have a comprehensive professional business plan for starting your body shop. The package comes with an Excel financial workbook that helps you figure out all your startup costs, income, and expenses. An extensive marketing section is in the business plan to give you many ideas on how to attract customers for your business, including dealing with insurance companies. There is a lot of opportunity in the auto body repair business. There is always demand. Whether you need to make a lender or investor presentation to get funding or just have a roadmap you can follow to make your body shop a success, these documents are what you need, so don't delay. Get this business plan and have the foundation to start your body shop.